Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, good evening and welcome back in. Tracking out the week ahead, we are going to see a little active pattern set up for us the next couple of days. Scattered storms are back in the mix with some heavy pockets of rainfall expected as they roll through. On the other side of that, temperatures are going to take another spike, so we're going back towards a scorcher of a weekend as those 90 pluses return. Some even into the mid 90s seems pretty likely as we get into Saturday and Sunday. Today we made it into the 90s briefly, 91 in Lexington. You'll see many of those on the map. Our typical hot spots, Somerset and Richmond, both at 95. Just a slight bit cooler out in eastern Kentucky, but nonetheless still nice and toasty. And temps now still sit pretty warm. In the upper 80s for many, a few low 90s still hanging on there for us as a little bit of cloud cover and a couple of those spotty showers start to roll in. Currently, though, there's not much on radar. Just a few there up near Cynthiana that are popping up and raining out. We had a couple that were in Georgetown earlier, but for the most part, everybody else is now free and dry. Looking at our surface map, trying to find that next system, there's going to be a front that drops in for us as we go through the middle of the week, and then it's going to stall out. When it does that, that just gives us an extra day or so of some rain chances. Right now, that system sits in Kansas and will work its way towards us. You see another cold front north of that, but eventually this will form, strengthen a little bit, and drop south. As it does, everything gets put on hold as rain chances start to develop. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday all look like pretty good chances for scattered activity. Later in the day Tuesday, good chunk of Wednesday afternoon, and then possibly early Thursday, maybe a few linger into the afternoon as well. Friday, Saturday, spotty chances are there, not completely zero, but less. Much like what we had this last weekend, just a few spots. Could see a couple of those showers. Watch the next big thing develop all of this for us as it works too. Now, overnight tonight, things are relatively quiet, partly clear to mostly clear, and we roll into Tuesday morning, everything is dry. A couple of those spotty shower chances, those start to pop up for us later in the day. You can see Futurecast has taken a lot of those away for us here tonight. It ropes those in for Wednesday much better now as that front starts to stall out. As it does, we're going to be seeing chances for some of those heavier pockets. As we get into Wednesday night, you see it expands quite a bit more. That front still hanging around, and as it does, Thursday morning, a couple of rain chances to stick in too and through the afternoon. So right now, Wednesday and Thursday look like the wetter of the days. I would still imagine there's going to be the opportunity for some activity as we head into our Tuesday afternoon. Friday morning, getting things to clear out for us again, so then it's all about the heat. We're going to go upper 80s to low 90s each day, but by the weekend, it'll be low to mid 90s for everybody. And of course, that muggy meter is not going to waver much in the oppressive category, meaning 70 plus across the board with those dew points. So sweaty whether the sun is out or not. Again, typical of August. We've got a couple more 90s in the mix to add to our annual total. And yes, there is a spotty chance for storms each and every day.